Serco is a global company. We operate across 4 regions. We cover a number of business areas: citizen services, health, transport, defence, Europe, and of course justice and immigration.
Well, the PECS contract that I run oversees the movement of between 15 and 16,000 of UK society's most vulnerable people every month between prisons, police stations and courts.
When we were looking for a new technology solution for this contract, one of the key facets we were looking for was a way to quickly and effectively digitise our processes, to capture the data points that we need to prove our performance, but to have the flexibility where, as the business changes and evolves, we could quite easily move the application along with those. Appian was a really good fit in this space because the low-code environment means that we can actually rapidly develop. It naturally digitises the process, allows us to then automate elements of that process and stipulate where we want our data capture points in place.
The best process change that we've had as a result of implementing Appian is around what we call prisoner welfare checks, which is where a custody officer checks up on what a prisoner's doing in their cell. That could be as simple as offering them a drink or a meal. Prior to rolling out the Appian application, we had to do that on pieces of paper. What we've done now with the Appian product is put that on a tablet and allow that enter of data to be done immediately by the cell door with the prisoner right in front of us. So we've got immediately that data into the system, not only for the benefit of that court operating, but for the whole contract.
Because it's up to date, because it's reliable, because it works and it's simple to use, it's enjoyed by all of my operators in my operating control centre. And these people work 24/7, and they often work under a lot of pressure and against very tight timelines. And for that, you need a robust operating system. And they love it. It's operating better than it's ever done before. We've had a number of measurable returns of investment, which are very positive. In the first instance, I'm able to use less people to do our day-to-day scheduling and running the operation, because Appian does it for me. It also does it in a manner which is robust, and therefore I don't need a host of engineers on call-out like I used to beforehand. So I've had manpower savings, I'm saving certainly on running costs, and most importantly of all, I'm delivering a service which has been at a standard now unlike any of its predecessors, and Appian is centrally enabling that.